Hola! Annyeonghaseyo! Bonjour! Kifkon! Ça va? Tamam? This is Ambisyosa Josa, wishing everyone to be in the best of everything. Welcome back to my channel. On this video, you will see me making a very lovely bouquet made of birds of paradise flowers. I got my beautiful flowers from our neighbor who was very kind, and he picked some flowers for me. So I thought it's perfect for the occasion. The name Birds of Paradise comes from its spectacular flower shape, which resembles a bird's beak and head plumage. The Birds of Paradise is one of the most colorful flowers in the world. It is closely related to the banana plant, which is evident in its similar-looking large fan-like leaves. It is an easy flower to grow in gardens where the climate is warm. The giant bird of paradise, Strelitzia nicolai, is one of the largest species and can grow up to 30 feet in height. They bloom from September through May, making them a great choice for fall, winter, and summer weddings and occasions decorations. The Birds of Paradise is known as the ultimate symbol of paradise and freedom and joyfulness, which is perfect for any kind of celebration. They are great on adding a colorful touch to any occasion's decors. It gives the ideal sleek statement in a beautiful bouquet. Birds of Paradise, also known as crane flowers, with their long and bright exotic colors, they make a great impact center point in a bouquet. Although Birds of Paradise are best known for their bright orange and blue colors, their flowers can also be white. Birds of Paradise flowers are popular choice for tropical weddings and many different occasions and celebrations, decorations, and bouquets. Many use these gorgeous flowers in weddings, from wedding centerpieces, wedding bouquets, to wedding cake decorations. Such a versatile plant. This flower lasts for weeks with just very simple care. Just change of water every 2 to 3 days and snipping about 3/4 of the stems. I am not going to discuss further about its versatility and amazing role on weddings, and we will leave that on my future videos. But now, what I'm doing is a simple, beautiful flower gift made of Birds of Paradise flowers. The Birds of Paradise is known as the ultimate symbol of paradise and freedom and joyfulness, which is perfect for any kind of celebration. With all these very positive meanings, you can tailor your birthday message to a unique bouquet making using just the Birds of Paradise flowers. Clearly, it is a great birthday flower for a reason. Oh, by the way, making this bouquet is very, very easy. Even a small child can make this bouquet. But the only thing that you need is a soft wire and some ribbons and a bouquet plastic wrap and some leaves and the flowers itself. It's very easy, guys. You can do it the way you want. I'm just showing you how this beautiful flower can be transformed into something else. A very simple but beautiful bouquet. Everyone has a birthday, whether someone is 5 or 85 years old. There is always reason for celebration every year. When we think of buying a birthday gift for someone dear, a bouquet of flowers is not the first thing that comes to our mind. Instead, we want to buy something grand and expensive which will immediately bring a smile on our loved one's face. And finding such a gift is not always an easy task, considering the tradition of giving a gift is about making a gesture and expressing your feelings more than the gift itself. In those cases, a bouquet of flowers as a gift is always the best choice, and there is no better birthday flowers than the one made by yourself, especially when it is made with so much passion and love. For me, it is the gesture that matters more than the gift. And a bouquet of flowers does exactly that. It adds feelings to your gift, something that no other gift can do. I love to honor the birthday celebrants with flowers picked and made by my hands. And so I thought, why not bring some magical bouquet charms into my dear friend's blessed born day? A bouquet of flowers adds beautiful to our environment and our life. Giving a gift of flowers shows that someone was thinking of you and wanted you to have that beauty in your life. And I think it makes the day more special. For me, a materialistic gifts doesn't matter much. Making a flower bouquet with love is something that is so close to the heart. Something that brings extra joy, extra colors, and brings out different energy in the celebration. If you agree or not, please tell me in your comments below. Thank you always for watching, my friends. Blessed be everyone. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. More power to everyone. Thank you always for your support. God bless us all. Happy birthday, my friend.